Good afternoon, drivers. It's your operations director, Ben. Do another video here trying to give some of our drivers some tips and tricks, things that make it a little bit easier on the road, some kind of hacks if you want to call it. One of the things we get questions quite often, especially for some of our newer drivers in the fleet, is exactly where do I need to set my tandems based on the states that I'm going to. So what we have done as kind of a quick reference guide for our drivers is, if you notice on the left side of the trailers, we've started to put these inflate tires stickers. This is just a general idea for you. If you place the tandems right in the space in between the tandems in the middle of this sticker, it will give you the space you need to be legal in every state, so that way you can get to a scale to scale your load to make sure that everything is legal as far as the axle weights are concerned. One of the things I did as a driver when I was out there is I used to take a lot of measurements and get a tape measure out. There's really only two states that we have to worry about as far as the kingpin to the tandem distance is concerned. One of them is New York, the other one is Michigan. Now with New York, the max distance that you are allowed to drive from kingpin to the center of the rear axle is 43 feet. After doing a lot of measurements on that, a quick reference for you that I found is the T in the GarnerTrucking.com on the side of the trailer. If you have the center of that axle lined up with that T, that is the max distance that you can have the tandems to the rear in order to be legal as far as kingpin distance is concerned for New York. Now with Michigan, it's a little bit different. Theirs is 40 feet 6 inches plus or minus 6 inches from the kingpin to the center of the rear axle. The N in the Garner Trucking is the max distance that you're allowed to have that to be legal for kingpin distance in that. Now keep in mind, you are allowed to have it further forward, and then need be for the weights on your axles is fine, but that's just a couple of quick references for you. It's nice and simple to be able to just kind of step back, look at the center of the rear axle, look up to our Garner Trucking and see where you're at. Like I said, the inflate tire, it's just a quick, easy way to put it there. Get yourself to a scale to see if you need to make any adjustments on your axles for the weights that are concerned. But if you have any questions about these things, give us a call in the office. We're always there to answer those questions. And as always, stay safe. Have a good day.